As a born rebel, the small farming community to which Helen Dodge was born was not enough to contain her. As a child, she was always wandering off to explore, often being gone for hours at a stretch as she delved deep into the woods. This made her an outcast in her own family, often fighting with her father and siblings, but not with her mother, who treated her with deep gentleness and respect. Sadly, her mother died when she was in her teens, and without that stability, the next argument with her father saw her leave home with nothing but the clothes she was wearing. She joined the Velen Officers Academy, where she did well in her studies and training, but argued constantly with her teachers and fellow students. One such argument turned into a physical altercation, which caught the attention of a visiting Azul Guardian who intervened, then convinced the Academy's administrator to transfer her to Guardian training. It was with the Guardians where she finally found her true family and refined her strong feelings to become one of their best.